me again. So today we're going to solve ratio problems that look like this. 38? 38. So 4 over m equals 21 over 2. How do we solve this? Step 1. We cannot cancel anything because nothing cancels vertically.
What about that? Multiply 2 and 4.
Cross multiply. So they're not on the same fraction yet, so we can't cancel. Great question. So we will look cross multiply. So that means 4 times 2 equals 21m. How do I solve for m? Since this is multiplication and I want m by itself, you must divide, which is not permitted in the church, but is permitted in math class. Interesting. Should we rewrite math?
Yes.
How about this? What if we call it multiplying by 1 over that?
Wait, what?
Okay, so this cancels. 4 times 2 is
8.
8 over 21 equals m. Problem? Well, yeah, it was a math problem, but it's not like a problem with it. Okay, now we are going to make this into a word problem. Woo! Yay! Word problem! Let's do a slow clap that like builds to a roaring applause.
Okay.
Alright, we had one Algebra 1 student
Extra
who did
slow.
not participate.
Alright,
We'll
now we're gonna go
have
extra
just
slow.
them slow clap to roaring applause.
You have to go super slow though, like this.
There are some students I understand that can't snap. I get that. But like clapping, you gotta, like, you're literally, like, it doesn't even matter what angle you do it at. Like some of them. Okay. So, here's our word problem. The ratio of pigs to goats
Piggies to goats.
is 7 to 5. How would I write that equation? The ratio of pigs to goats is 7 to 5. Remember, ratio means
Ratio.
divide. Divide. So, ratio of pigs to goats. So 2 kind of means divide if we're talking ratios. So pigs divided by goats is 7 divided by 5. So ratio, divide. Okay, how would I simplify this? Well, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cross multiply it just like we did there. So what does that give us? That gives us one equation which says 5 pigs equals 7 goats. Let's keep reading, shall we? If there were 91 pigs, how many goats were there? So there's 91 pigs, so I'm going to plug in 91 for P. Can I solve for the number of goats? How would I do so? You would. Not allowed in church, allowed in math class, you would?
Divide.
Divide, that's right. Why is being divisive so bad?
Because.
Why is it a bad thing? Like, why doesn't God like it? What do you think, Ocampo?
Because he wants more.
Oh, it just is. What do you think, Stowe?
You bite off more than you can chew. They just turn against each other because no two groups can get along.
When you like try and turn people against each other, or when you have someone who comes in who's like trying to split the church, you're splitting the people of God against each other, right? It's never good. Never ends up well. Much like a friendship that we've seen in this class, right? When you guys split up and you're like one's sitting way over there and one's over here, and you're like, you guys divided yourselves because something's wrong. You work it out to have unity again. Okay?
We'd like more space.
No, that's not it. I don't buy it.
Yes.
Okay.
Those are the new chargers.
So 5 times 91 over 7. Does 91 and 7 cancel?
No. Yes.
Yes.
Maybe.
13 is correct. What's 5 times 13? 65 goats. Now, does this make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's 91 pigs, 61 goats. There probably should be less goats because the ratio is 7 to 5. Okay, we'll buy it. So that is our lesson for today.